Hey guys, today I wanted to show you how to sync your Airbnb calendar with your Google Calendar. So this is really nice if you want to share the reservations with your cleaners, or you want to keep track of your reservations if you have multiple Airbnb accounts or something and you need to keep track of them all in the same Google Calendar. This is a really easy way to do that. So first you want to be switched to hosting. So you want to make sure you are in the hosting side of Airbnb. You click on calendar and then you click on a listing that you want to sync on the left. So I've got this Seabreeze listing that we have here. And then on the far right, when I don't have any dates selected, I choose availability settings. And then we scroll down to the bottom and we have our options right here. So this top section is where I have it linked to VRBO. And then at the bottom here, it's connect another calendar. So under connect another calendar, we have connect to another website. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And that is going to bring us here where we can copy the Airbnb calendar link. This is an iCal link that Google Calendar will pull from and use to sync the calendars. So we're going to go over to Google Calendar now. Just pull up your base calendar and then you can click over here. You'll have other calendars and you can click add. And then from the add, you're going to choose from URL, because we just copied that URL from Airbnb. So we just paste in the URL here and then we click add calendar. It's going to add the calendar to your Google Calendar and the name will be the URL. So from here we can rename the calendar to whatever we want. So I'm going to name it Unit 18 and then go back, and now you can see down here it shows Airbnb Unit 18, and then I can just change the color to like a green color, for example. And now I can see the dates and know, oh, we have 2 cleanings on this day. And you can also take that same exact link, that same copy link here, and share that with your cleaner, and she can add it to her Google Calendar as well. And it's a one-way link, so she's not going to be able to use that to block off days on your calendar or anything like that. That just allows Google to pull from Airbnb. To go the other way around, you will have to go into the settings in Google Calendar and then share the calendar to Airbnb. But for now, I just wanted to show you guys how to sync your Airbnb calendar with Google Calendar, and that's really all there is to it. Just get that link from the connect to another website section in your calendar, and then paste that link into the from URL on your other calendar section on Google Calendar. I really hope this helps, and if you wouldn't mind subscribing, that would really help the channel out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.